Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to remove your login pin from Windows 11 PC, you are in the right video. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to remove your Windows Hello pin using just the system settings step by step. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on the start menu and come in the settings of your Windows 11. Now once you are here in your settings, by default you will be on the home page. So you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on accounts. Now over here in your accounts, you need to simply scroll down and click on the option of the sign in options. Now under the way to sign in, you will be able to see the pin that will be your welcome or your hello pin. So you need to click on that and you need to remove it from here. Currently I did not set that type of pin, that's why that option is not showing to me, but you will see it over here. Now a confirmation box will pop up asking you for the Microsoft account password. So if you are using that, you need to provide that detail, and then you need to enter your password and verify your identity and hit OK. Once confirmed, the pin will be removed and it won't be required at login anymore. So if you are using the local account, it may ask for the local account password instead. Now if you don't want to be asked to set up a pin again, you can again come back here on this page. Over here you need to just scroll down and you will see the additional settings here. In your additional settings, simply just turn off the for improved security only allow Windows Hello sign in. So simply just turn this toggle button off, and this is going to basically prevent the Windows from forcing a pin setup next time. So that's how you can remove your login pin in the Windows 11 fast, simple and secure. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick PC tips, and comment if you want help switching to a local account too. Thanks for watching.